Are you thinking about selling your home? That's an exciting decision. Most sellers want to know what are the steps through the selling process before arriving at the closing table, and how much will they leave the sale with to purchase their new home. Hi, my name is Amanda Howard with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm going to give you 4 key points to know before putting your home on the market. First, hire a real estate professional. They'll be your expert guide throughout this process. They'll analyze the market trends, recent sales, and the unique features of your home to help you determine the optimal selling price. Getting this right is crucial for a successful sale. Second is the closing costs. It's essential to understand and plan for these expenses. Don't worry, your hired professional will walk you through it all. You'll encounter fees like title insurance, attorney's fees, and transfer taxes. Knowing what to expect can make the process much smoother. Third is payoff amounts and mortgage balances. This step helps you understand exactly how much you owe on your current loan. It's crucial to know this as it will impact how much money you will have left after paying off your mortgage. Fourth is net proceeds, the amount you'll keep after all expenses. Your real estate agent will provide a clear breakdown so you'll know the bottom line. Educated with this information, you can confidently move forward with your selling journey. Now let's recap about what is important to do and know when you are getting your home on the market. Hire a real estate professional that will help guide you through the process, understand the closing costs involved in a real estate transaction, and the payoff amounts that is remaining on your mortgage. Ultimately, these lead you to the last point, which is what you wanted to know, but those critical 3 prior steps are necessary to get you to this one, the net proceeds that you will take away from the sale. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest in real estate information, tips, and community highlights. You aren't going to want to miss our upcoming videos where I am personally going to share with you additional real estate buyer and seller tips that I give my clients. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I thank you for spending time with me today, learning more about the 4 key points to know before putting your house on the market. Until next time, keep dreaming big, exploring new horizons, and finding that perfect place to call home. I'll see you soon.